Oh, you found a stick. Can you show Daddy? Where's Daddy? Oh, the stick. Show Daddy the stick. Are you going to throw it? Nice. You can't ever sit.
I know.
And you won't, at least. I like the little stick.
Look.
Yeah? Oh.
Look. Do it here. Do it here.
You're getting wet, Judah? Is it raining on us now?
Yeah.
Oh.
What have you got there, Judah?
Can you show Daddy?
This.
What is it?
This.
What do you have?
This.
This.
Oh, yeah?
2 sticks.
Oh, got a little crack there.
Lightning. Yeah. Lightning. It's on and off. Can you hear the thunder?
Look at you guys.
The thunder is all across the sky?
Yeah.
Do you want to go inside, Judah? Okay, no. I love you. You're a sweet guy. Rain, rain, go away. Come again tonight. Little Judah wants to play. Mommy's van? Where you going? You can wipe it off. Lightning! Lightning! Yeah. Oh, you want me to see it? Judah, I think we need to go inside because it's going to get really wet.
Judah, can you say bye-bye?
Look at the camera. Can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.